But y'all know we went ahead and wrapped these pieces on the lower trims, and we just painted up everything else. So the first piece we need to reinstall is the lower trims, both sides. And the way I have to do it, I have to feed the seat belt piece through it. That way it'll go down in there. So just like that, we in there. My lights are put back in, as y'all see, and both of the panels are in. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Got my third light back in, my trim, and the only thing I gotta do now is get a new socket plug for that. But yeah, everything's done. What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now this video we are finally gonna be throwing all of this rear trim back into the car. Y'all know it's missing, well it's only 4 panels, top, bottom, and then passenger side too. So yeah, it's only them, but I'm gonna have to rewire these back up, which isn't hard, you feel me? They already color coded, so I'm gonna have to wire these back up though, so they'll work while my doors are open, you know. So we fixing a little bit of the electrical while the car's here, because when I got it back, some of this electrical stuff wasn't working. So basically fixing most of it up as I go. But like I said, we finna go ahead and install them panels back into the car. Something we really need to do, you know. We already painted them. If y'all haven't checked that video, I'll go check that video out. But yeah, we finna go ahead and reinstall, like I said, them panels. So yeah, this should be fairly quick, fairly easy. There's a couple more videos I need to record today, like fixing the radio so the memory will stay. I want to clean out the trunk and I want to change the wheels. So yeah, a couple more things I need to do today, but for the most part, you know, we just grinding. That's all it is. So make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And let me go grab the panels, then we can start installing. So catch y'all in a second. All right y'all, so here go all of the panels out of the car. Well, on the car. I didn't have them near the car at first, but y'all know we went ahead and wrapped these pieces on the lower trims, and we just painted up everything else. So the first piece we need to reinstall is the lower trims, both sides. And the way I have to do it, I have to feed the seat belt piece through it. That way it'll go down in there. So yeah, this is the first piece I got to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit y'all in the car and let y'all see me do this one. Then, you know what I'm saying, that's really gonna be it. You know, we just reinstalling these. So there you go. My hair tie. Go ahead and pull my hair back. So like I said, the first thing I got to do is feed this seatbelt piece through here, so I can go ahead and lay my seatbelt down, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to make sure I'm doing this right. So it'll be this one and that and that. So trying to make sure I do this right, so I don't have to try and take it back out, scratch up the paint, all that stuff. So make sure this is straight out. So I'm guessing I just got to do this one first. I'm trying to also make sure I scratch up the paint, and as I say that, I drop the whole thing. like I said, I'm trying to be very careful without scratching up this panel, bro. Got it. Sound like some people arguing. Come on. Come on now, come through. Got it. There we go. Got it. And now if I need to, I can turn it and all that stuff. But the main thing was trying to feed this through, bro. Trying to feed that through. I do need to turn it, and then this will just go straight back behind the seat. Alright, and just like that, we in there. Alright, now I just gotta find the hole for the screw to go in, and it looks like it's about right there. Grab this screw. Is this the longer one? Yep. And I gotta find my screwdriver in 5 minutes. Got my screwdriver, y'all. There we go. And then feed it down and tighten it up. And look at there. So I gotta put the other screw in still. But man, look at that. Look at that panel, bro. That looks so good in here, but I cannot wait to get the rest of this stuff in there. Man, bro, this looks so hard, man. I cannot wait to get these seats done. These seats is really gonna set it off. It's gonna be mainly black with blue, and it's definitely not gonna be this polka dot design no more. So we're gonna figure out a different design. But man, look at that. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. Now let me finish up the rest, because I still gotta do the top half and do the wiring. Y'all see the wire right there. And yeah, like I said, the top half. But yeah, man, it's looking beautiful, I'm telling y'all. So let me go ahead, finish the rest of this up. My bad. Finish the rest of this up, put the rest of these screws in, then I'll let y'all when I'm finished, you know? So just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so sitting in the back of the Cutlass now, man, I'm loving this car, y'all. I'm really just sitting back here and admiring this car, you know? I really love this car so much. But if y'all look and see, as y'all can tell, I got the seatbelt bolted back down. And it's ran back through. Now all I gotta do is get the top trim to put this part up, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know where I did with the piece to cover them. I lost it, so I already had to order some anyways, but I don't know where I did with it, because I painted it and I put it somewhere, but don't remember where I put it. So I'm gonna have to throw this away. This little piece came back with, like I said, both sides are down, and I gotta get them things to hold, like when you putting two wires together and you crank them together. So I gotta get some of them, but for now we just gonna have some electrical tape on them, and when I get some, I'm gonna come back and do it off camera. You know, I'm not gonna force y'all to watch me do that as well. But I took the back trim off, so that's why this is flopping, so we can go ahead and put these side panels, top panels on, and yeah, we should be done after that. So let me go ahead and grab the panels. Oh. Sit y'all right here and put y'all up a little bit right there. And now we gotta try and put this up here and bolt it down at the same time. You know what I'm saying? So none will really fall. You feel me? So carry out a little bit more. Gotta try and squeeze this up in there. Come on. I gotta feed this wire through here. Alright, come on. Why is it not going down? And I think I know why. Yep. It's this freaking rear deck. The rear deck is keeping it from going all the way down. Oh, come on. Come on, bro. I'm so close to being done. Don't do this to me now. Don't make me have to take everything back apart. You know what? I'm finna sit down just like that for now. We're gonna move on to this side and put y'all up. Alright, let's try and squeeze this one in then. Since that side want to be stubborn, we're just gonna move on. Man, bro, what? Why is these not gonna go in? We need to feed that wire through real quick though. Alright. Oh, I see. It's not the rear deck, it's some of that tar on my hands. Dang it, bro. Come on now. Stuff keep getting on my freaking hand. I cannot be putting this stuff on my paint after I just painted this stuff, and I am. That stuff from my window, y'all, keep getting on my hand, and then every time I touch something else, that stuff a headache, bro, I'm telling you. I think I got it. Yep. So, we got this side on. Now all I gotta do is put my seat belt up and then put my boat through. Then that won't move. I'm doing that when I got this one. Come on now, be careful. Stretch up all this paint. Come on, boy, be careful, be careful. Arm hurting. Like that, we're done. So now I'm really finish up everything off camera. I'm not gonna make y'all watch me finish everything up, like my wiring or putting this trim back on and then trying to get this side on. So yeah, I'm not gonna force y'all to watch me, but y'all seen this. That's all that mattered. So I will catch y'all when I'm finished, hopefully. All right, y'all, I'm finished now. Everything's back into place. Everything is wired up. My lights are put back in, as y'all see, and both of the panels are in. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Got my third light back in, my trim, and the only thing I gotta do now is get a new socket plug for that. But yeah, everything's done. Last things is the seats. You know, y'all know we painted these door panels. All I gotta do is put them on, and I've been watching videos of people doing the speaker ports and holes and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna figure that out when it's in due time. But for now, we got these in, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, both sides. I'm telling y'all, doing that black on the armrest part definitely set it off. It looks a lot better than painting it all blue. Looks a whole lot better, bro. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna try to record 2 to 3 more videos. One is gonna be cleaning out this trunk, because this trunk is filthy. I'm gonna try and clean this trunk up and pull up this blue, because I don't need that down no more. It's the wrong color. But yeah, man, it's gonna be the end of this one. I hope y'all enjoyed this video of us putting everything back together, man. I'm loving it, man. I'm telling y'all, I'm loving how everything is looking, how everything is coming out. But like I said, man, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way. Y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And yeah, man, I'm hoping y'all enjoying the content. So I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.